Hi everyone, my name's Nicole and I'm a teacher, product developer for Discount School Supply, and also for Really Good Stuff. So we are sister companies, so you'll see me on both of those platforms. And today I want to show you one of our crafts that we have at Discount School Supply, and then I also want to show you a really fun holiday activity / game that you could do with your family or friends, or whoever you're spending the holidays with this year. So the reason I mentioned that we are sister companies is because I also am showing this activity on the Really Good Stuff Facebook Live this week. So I wanted to make sure that that you knew, if you're watching both of the videos, I will go over the craft first. So in case you're watching the other one, you're not seeing this twice if you want to tune out after the craft. So let me start with this fun activity after we do our giveaway. So our giveaway today is, we will be giving away 10 prizes to 10 lucky winners. All you have to do is comment below with how the holidays will be different this year for you. So we know there's a ton of different ways we'll be celebrating our holidays, whether it's spending time with different people, smaller groups of people, doing different things with food this year. Tell us all about how the holidays have changed this year, because we all can relate. We all are going through similar situations. So comment below. Every time you comment, that's an entry into our giveaway. Okay, and like I said, 10 winners we'll be giving away a prize to. So let me show you. This is our Colorations Make Your Own Snow Globe. So this comes with a set of 12 snow globes, and these are really cool because you can have your child or your students decorate them in all different ways. You can have them use pom-poms, stickers, whatever you have that that you want to have them decorate with, they can decorate with. But I want to show you how simple and easy this activity is. So the bottom of these snow globes has this little black piece here, and all you do is pop it off. And inside you have this little piece of paper. So your child, depending on your child's age, they might need to actually use a marker and trace around it, but they can find the piece of the picture. So here I have a really important picture to me. This is my family, my cousins, my aunts, my uncles, my parents, my brother, everyone that's really important to me. And I want to get a picture with my younger cousins to put in the snow globe. So I'm just going to take this little piece of paper and place it over the people that I want to put in the snow globe. Then, so like I said, if your child, they might need to take a marker and just trace around the outside of this piece of paper, but obviously I'm able to just kind of cut around it. So all I'm going to do is just cut around that piece. And here I have it. So then all I have to do is slide that right into the snow globe, just like that, place. So this little piece here has a little hole there, and then on here there's a little piece that sticks out. So all you have to do is line them up, pop it in, and I have my nice little snow globe. So there you have it. So like I said before, you can decorate it in all different ways, whether you want to put pom-poms on it. There's different types of writing utensils that could be written on, plastic with, or glass that you could probably use on here too. It is plastic, but I'm just saying that they have those writing pens for glass that probably would also work on here. Our Colorations brand, we have tons of different craft supplies. So if you check out discountschoolsupply.com and just look at our craft selection, you'll see there's tons of different things that you could use to decorate these snow globes. So there's also glitter inside. So on top of it, you have your little glitter pieces that are ready for a decoration. And these are really awesome to give as gifts. So you might be like, well, I have one child. What am I going to do with 12 of these? This is great to give to grandma and grandpa, aunts and uncles, whoever you think would like to get it as a gift. I could just see this being packed up and given to just about every family member with a special picture inside. So that's it for our craft today. Now, like I said before, I'm showing this same game that I show it on the Really Good Stuff Facebook Live because it's so much fun. I like to do this every year, and it is my favorite game to play with my family. So this is the Saran wrap ball game. So basically what you do is you start with something that's more exciting, like For example, this one here has a gift card in the center. inside of a box. So I took a gift card inside of a box and I wrapped it in plastic wrap, Saran wrap. So I wrapped it a few times and then I cut off the Saran wrap so that piece ended. Then I took that piece and started wrapping it in a new piece of Saran wrap, and then I stuck some different things in it. So maybe some candy, maybe I threw $1 in there, different things that would excite the audience. So depending on who you have, you might have some kids playing, maybe some adults. You wrap more items in there that they would like. So you can see in here that there's some candy, there's a $1 bill. You can see over here, I did do gift cards throughout. And then every so often you want to cut the Saran wrap piece because you don't want one person unwrapping a bunch of gifts. You want them to get 1 or 2 pieces at a time. So again, you wrap it, cut the Saran wrap, add a few more pieces, wrap it with the Saran wrap, cut it again, and then you come up with this big Saran wrap ball. Now I did a small one just to show you, but when this is complete, usually it's about this big. It's a pretty decent sized piece. And so this is how you play the game. Once you have your Saran wrap ball all ready, what you do is one person will start. So let's pretend I'm starting. The person to my right will have 1 die and they're gonna roll the die. And when they roll a number 6, I have to pass the Saran wrap to the next person. So in the time that they're rolling, I have to unwrap this, and as much as I can unwrap, I get to keep. So you can't rip the Saran wrap. So for example, we can take this piece off here. Let's pretend this person's rolling the dice. I can start unwrapping the Saran wrap, but like I said, I can't rip it. I'm just gonna unwrap it, and any pieces that fall out, I get to keep. Now, if this person rolls a 6, I have to stop and pass it to the next person. I get the die, and I have to roll a 6. Once I roll a 6, that person's turn is up. So basically, you're collecting as much as you can in the time that you have the Saran wrap ball. So it's really, really fun and exciting. You can do this with 3 people, you could do it with 20 people. This year obviously will probably be a smaller group of people, so it's a really fun way to still have an exciting, fun activity to do. And I also want to mention that this activity can be done with kids from a very young age to, I think we played last year with kids from age around 5 to adults around age 70. So it's a really fun, gets everyone together. Everyone has fun with it. Everyone can relate and have, that exciting game that everyone can play together. So really fun idea. I would highly recommend doing this with your family. It really brings excitement and happiness and fun to your holiday. So that's the Saran wrap game. Feel free to use that idea if you'd like to play it. That's it for today's Facebook Live. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Please share our video, and if you don't mind liking it, we'd love to reach more teachers that would find this useful, or parents, and we will see you next time. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and happy holidays. Bye-bye.